Hi guys. Okay, let's talk about the importance of optimizing your listing for mobile traffic. Now, if your listing has much bigger chunk of traffic coming from mobile, then you're really leaving money on the table. How to know that? Well, you can go to your business reports, sorry, and then go into detail page sales and traffic report, and then on the right you wanna include the columns for Sessions mobile app and Sessions browser. Now, then take a look at your stats. So, for example, this is a great example, really. So you can see that total number of sessions is 1,700, and 1,200, more than 1,200 of those are coming from mobile app. Now, if you haven't optimized your listings for mobile, that means that your conversion rate on mobile is going to be poor compared to desktop. To illustrate that, let's see the perfect example for this listing. Okay, so how to illustrate that? You want to go ahead and change to the mobile view. Now go to the settings, more tools, and then click developer tools. Now, once there, you need to enable this little button, toggle device toolbar. Now, what that does is it simulates the look of the page on your mobile device. You can change a different device over here. Then let's refresh the page. Let it load a bit. Okay, so then let's see the images. The images are most important because once on an app you can test that yourself by going to the Amazon shopping app. Most of the people are just browsing images, and bullet points are way down below that. So decision to buy something or not is mostly driven by the information in the images. Now, on the second image, we already see that this text is really not that clear, not to mention the third image. So nobody's going to read through that. And if they're missing important information, they may not be aware how to use your product, and you're going to get a big refund return rate. So really optimizing for mobile, really important. Look at this text, so really unreadable. Now, to illustrate even more, I've created a little table here. So different conversion rates for the same number of clicks. You can easily see that, for example, even a slight change in conversion rate changes the number of orders. Now, for example, if your images are optimized for desktop, you're going to have better conversion rate, and this is going to be on average. And if you're not optimized for mobile, obviously your lower conversion rate is going to be you're going to have lower conversion rate. Now, all the average on that is going to look like 6.77%. So that will lead you actually to having completely wrong assumption of your conversion rate. Now, to illustrate it even more, so 11% on desktop is going to be after 3,000 clicks, for example, that's going to be 330 orders, while on mobile that's close to 4%, so it's going to be 120, so nearly 200 orders less on mobile. So clearly you're leaving money on the table. So optimizing images on your listing is really easy. You can have someone in-house, or you can hire somebody to do that, but the outcome that you're going to see is going to be huge. So I hope this helps you, and let me know if you need any further clarification on this subject. Okay, bye guys.